Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing a vintage Casio watch, model A168WEHB-1AEF. Let's get started. The Casio vintage A168WEHB watch is a classic timepiece that combines retro style with modern functionality. This digital watch features a sleek black stainless steel bracelet and a rectangular case that gives it a distinct vintage look. This model includes essential functions such as an alarm, stopwatch, and calendar, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The LED backlight ensures that the display is readable in low-light conditions. Additionally, its water resistance makes it suitable for daily activities, though it's not recommended for swimming or diving. Overall, the Casio A168WEHB combines retro charm with modern reliability, making it a versatile accessory that can complement both casual and formal outfits. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? The battery in this model lasts up to 7 years. Casio vintage watches are not large. The case of this watch is 38 mm. My wrist size is 17 cm or 6.6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.